everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Queen of Rangrang, and welcome here sa Taino Bay Cruise Port, Puerto, Plata, Dominican Republic. So today is another sightseeing. We're not doing any shopping, so hindi na ako nag-video guys sa mga shop here since it's me, hindi naman talaga ako mahilig sa shopping. So it's just sightseeing today guys, to explore this amazing port. And talaga namang maganda siya, and especially it's my first time here in Dominican Republic. So, ride tricycle. Ano bang tawag niyan sa atin? Tinatawag siyang tuk-tuk. Yeah, it's a tuk-tuk in Philippines. In short, it's tricycle. Yeah, and it's fun because it's been a long time na hindi ako nakaride ng tricycle. After 20 years, I guess. And then, ma-ride natin siya dito sa Dominican Republic. So, thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys next episode. So, there you go guys. Privacy na rin po sa mga tao dahil this place is too crowded. So, as usual, di ko na naman nagamit yung aking mic para sa pag-record. Kaya inaasar ako nitong friend ko kasi wala na naman tayong mic this time.